What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. This is a really cool product. I can't wait to unbox it and do a little bit of an first impressions of it. But right now I've got some coffee on the stove because it has to do with coffee. So let's go ahead and get this off the stove and into our French press. So I picked up some donut shop blend from Target. This is a medium body roast. And we're just gonna go ahead and throw it in our French press there. And we're gonna have it set up so that I can do an unboxing while this is roasting. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off the oven there. Oh! And we've got our pot of boiling water. So let's go ahead and bring this over here. Over here is fine. And we will have our pot of coffee off to the side, because today we have a really special episode. Not really special, but just wanted to change things up a little bit and do something fun. So I made the coffee because we have a product relating to coffee today that we're going to be taking a look at. It is a big box good, and here it is. This is the Ember. This is the temperature controlled ceramic mug by Ember, which is really cool. I have a traditional mug here. This is not mine, this is my dad's, but a traditional mug there, also in white. But we've got the Ember in white, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. While we wait for our French press to brew. So I'll give you 1 second there. So we'll leave that, throw the knife away, and there is our Ember coffee mug. So there is an app that you have to download with this. And I'm gonna go ahead and download it now while the coffee is brewing, and before we unbox the Ember coffee mug here. So what's really cool about the Ember coffee mug is that it is temperature controlled. So there is a coaster that it comes with that heats up basically. It's almost like a miniature burner. This is what I'm just guessing it is before I take it out of the box, but it's like a miniature burner similar to like your old coffee pot. You know, someone expressed their concern to me the other day about the Keurigs and how they have to go and make another, sometimes that their coffee gets cold, because if you know anything about the Keurig, the water inside does not get to boiling temperature. But it doesn't have to anymore, because now with the Ember coffee mug, with the Ember coaster that it comes with, you can keep your cup of coffee really warm. So it comes with an app that you can control the temperature of your coffee mug with. So we'll go ahead and we'll take that off just like so. We'll allow the location right there. So we've got a travel mug and a ceramic mug. These are the two types of mugs that you can buy with the Ember system. And as you can see, we get a really premium unboxing experience here. If I could just unbox it. Okay, so there's a small sticker on this side, which is the issue. There's a small sticker on this side as well. I am so used to unboxing things like headphones now that I kind of just expect things to come right out of the box. So this is a ceramic mug. It's actually stainless steel with a ceramic coating. Really premium mug. So charge me up before you turn me on. So as you can see along the bottom here, this is where it will heat up. Really premium looking device so far. Do I wish the mug was a little bit bigger? No, not necessarily. So we'll go ahead and we'll finish the unboxing here. So here is the charging pad, or the heating pad, we'll call it. So we'll lay that off to the side because we are going to use this today, right now. We've got a cup of coffee brewing off to the side here. Got some cool Ember stickers. Leave that off to the side. And of course, last but not least, we have our charging cable. Now, this is something that you'll want to keep at your desk. You can keep it anywhere. You could probably keep it in the kitchen if you want. But I imagine you'll want to keep something like this at your desk where you work. So we've got our iPad. We've got the app set up here on the iPad. So we'll go ahead and we'll select ceramic mug. The world's most advanced temperature adjustable mug. So to turn on the mug, push the power button located at the bottom of the base. So we'll turn it on. And as you can see, there's a little indicator there that lets us know that it's on. If the LED doesn't power on, hold the power button for 7 seconds until the LED blinks yellow. So if your mug comes discharged out of the box, that's what you do. The ceramic mug only needs to be turned on once. Intuitive technology allows the mug to sleep when not in use and wake up as soon as you pick it up. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the LED blinks blue. So we'll pair it now. Make sure your mug is within range of your mobile device. Okay, so as you can see, the iPad is searching for it right now. We'll hold down this button for 5 seconds and as it blinks blue, and it found it. So we'll pair the coffee mug. Hopefully we're getting this on camera here, but we'll pair it. And it will ask us to sign in with Google, Facebook, or with an email. So we'll sign in with Google here. We'll sign in with S.I.N. or johnandw555@gmail.com, which is the account that I am posting these videos to. If you have any inquiries or want to send your product for me to do a review of it or a promotion of it, please send your inquiry to johnandw555@gmail.com. I'd be happy to take any requests. So we've got our password here. Let's set that down for a second for this website. Hit next. And I agree to the terms of service and sign up. Super easy, folks, to get your, especially if you have a Google account or a Facebook account. Okay, select a color below to change your LED light. So we can personalize our Ember mug. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this really pretty blue color over here. I like that. It's Florida themed. I live in Florida, so we'll go ahead and select that and click done. And we've got a privacy policy here that we'll have to agree to. That's fine. Okay. So really cool right off the bat. Select the device you want to control. We've got our Ember device set up here. Click hot beverage temperature. Okay, fine. So it will notify me when my Ember mug reaches the perfect temperature. Let's go ahead and get some of this stuff out of the way and really focus on how cool this is. We have to plug this in first before we can use it. But here she is. really cool Ember mug. So it's on the charger right now. A lot of ads so far, which I'm not happy about. So it knows that the cup is empty, and we've got the temperature set to 130 degrees, which is really cool. So we have our French press here. Let's go ahead and press our coffee. Grab some creamer. I always like to add a little bit of creamer into the mug and then add the coffee. And voila. That is our Ember coaster. Whoa, okay, so this is really cool. If you're paying attention to this camera right now, it is already detecting the temperature of our coffee as it is in the cup. So it's at a very hot 173 degrees. It is going up as we speak. It's stopping at 173 degrees. I have the temperature set to 130, but if I want, I can keep it as hot as 173 degrees. Let's go ahead and keep it at 150 degrees. Okay, so it only goes up to 145 degrees. It will not stay at it will not go as far as 172 degrees. And let's go ahead and, before we can truly enjoy our coffee staying at 145 degrees, let's go ahead and try this cup of coffee. Delicious, perfect. This cup is really nice. As I mentioned before, it's stainless steel and ceramic. The coaster is also stainless steel and ceramic. It reminds me of I mean, it's obviously probably using the same technology as one of those bun coffee makers that you see in restaurants and at your office in your break room that use a heating mechanism to keep the pot warm. This is the same idea, except it's just a mug, and it's for your home and office use, not necessarily for... Okay, so the temperature of our coffee mug dropped to 166 degrees so far, down from 173 degrees, which is really cool. The fact that, and now it's down to 165. What's really cool is you get to see how quickly the temperature of your coffee drops. So as I'm sitting here enjoying it, the temperature is going down as it should. 164 now. Let's see if it gets to, next time it gets to 163, I'll take another sip. I can't help it, I have to take another sip now. Oh, there it is anyways, 163. Okay, and there you have it, folks. So this is really a really cool piece of technology to have at your home or office, especially at your desk. The Ember coffee mug with its, it looks like a little tea plate here, but the Ember coffee mug and ceramic heating plate by Ember are a big box good. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.